Hey everyone, TheUnproPro here, and I'm going to show you how to make something like this, abstract art, using only a black and white gradient to start with, using the image editor known as Gimp, and it's actually really easy. Just create a new image. I created the size of 1024 by 768, standard most people's background, well, at least it used to be. Alright, to start off, I'm going to add alpha channel here. And I am going to fill this in with the marble 3. Alright, now I'm going to go, well, that's right, never mind, we're going to do the black and white gradient. Wow, what a nice fail that was. Alright, just kind of, well, okay, I was messing around earlier and have everything just set to different things. So, have everything by default should be like this. It should look like this. Click the little gradient tool and draw a black and white gradient. I'm actually going to make it angled, like that. Actually, let's make it sideways. I'm going to make it sideways. Alright, now go to blur, go to pixelize, and make the size, let's make it 45 this time. A little bit different. Okay, now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to eye warp. Then we're going to click swirl counterclockwise. Click like something like that, maybe, or like that. Anything like you think that looks a little abstract, you can do. Now I'm going to repixelize it, and this time I'm going to go to blur, motion blur. I'm going to set the angle to 180 and the length to 256. This is going to create like bar effect, like bars going down. You'll see. Or no, that's 180 is sideways. That's right. To make it go down, you need angle of 90. I believe. So, redo that and go to motion blur. 90. There we go. That's the bar effect. Here it comes. Wait for it. And there you go. Alright, now I'm going to pixelize it once more, but this time actually no, let's make the pixels a little bigger. Let's go to 65. Yeah, this way it's going to be like a little bit larger bars. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and distort it once more. Just kind of mess around here. Reset. You can do anything like you want. Like you can shrink it in like that. I'm gonna do something like that because that's like really abstract. And now, ooh, I might actually keep that. Yeah, let's go ahead and keep that. But actually, wait, no, never mind. I don't know. We're just going to keep messing around. But, anyways, go to pixelize again. Well, we might not actually have to pixelize it. Yeah, we're not going to pixelize it, actually. We're just going to go to motion blur and set it to 90. And we're going to blur it. Maybe not, though. I like the way this looks right here. So, anyways, create a new layer. And now, fill it in. Go to pattern, fill hole selection, go to normal, make sure opacity is 100, and select the marble 3. Fill it all the way in. Now go to, let's see, I think it was a grain merge. And now make the opacity of that, make it about 20. Or no, make it 10. Make the opacity a 10. Now, make sure you selected this layer. Click, go to color, or you can go right click, go to colors, and then go to invert. See, now it kind of gives you that fuzz kind of look. So now go back to the original layer, which should be titled background. If not, whatever, it doesn't matter. Go to colorize. You can also do the right click. Go to right click or whatever you want to do and go to colorize. I'm going to select kind of bluish for mine. Saturation 58. Hue is 203, lightness is 0. Now, I'm going to go to the gradient tool, and I'm going to select FG to transparent. Now, I'm going to go to the, pink, I'm going to get it like a little pinkish color. Make it brighter this time. Now, select normal, and select color. And now, I'm going to make the top, okay. Make this all like purple, actually. Yeah, make this all purple. don't know why I didn't do this from the start. And then select like a kind of like a sky blue that color. Now drag from the bottom and then drag from the top. Or since it's this angled, we can make it like this. Like that. Kind of come into it like that. Kind of come into it like that. And hang on. Actually, what I'm going to do is make this black and white. Oops. Yeah, make that black and white. Just keep pressing Control Z or something until you get it black and white. Or you can go to colorize if you want to make it black and white, and then just turn saturation all the way down. It'll become black and white. Okay, so now I'm actually just going to start designing a gradient here. Okay, so I'm going to set it to normal. Just going to start gradienting, just fill this all the way in with blue. Fill it all the way in with blue. And as you can see what that does, the Marble 3, it still gives it the grain effect because of things on the top. Anyways, so select your color like that and just kind of do that. And then go to Web, make Seamless. Now go here where it says normal, go to color. Alright, so now blur, pixelize. You can pixelize the color if you want, so that makes it also look kind of interesting. And might make seamless again. And now I'm actually going to do a blur, a motion blur, at a random angle of 159 or something. And okay, maybe not the make seamless thing. Never mind that. All right, but you know, it really all depends on trial and error. Distorts. I'm gonna do an eye warp. I'm actually gonna do like this. Oh, when you're doing eye warp, make sure adaptive super sampling is selected. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of make this all over the place here. Swirl clockwise, just kind of goof around, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Alright, now select color. And now just blur it. Gaussian blur. I'm going to set it to 50. Let's set it to 50. Okay, then that doesn't look as good as I thought it does. Let's go to... Ooh, that looks interesting. Let's try other things. Subtract, addition, difference. Green extract, soft light, hard light. Maybe soft light, but... Oh, actually burn looks pretty interesting too. Okay, the gradient idea like that was not as good as I thought it was going to be. So, go back to colorize. And, yeah. There's my original. But this isn't supposed to be an exact copy, but... Okay, so anyways, go to colorize. And make it purple this time, actually. Saturation. Like that. Lightness this time, increase a little bit to like 9. And now we're going to try this. So select a blue. I'm going to select this blue. Go to color. And just kind of randomize things here. Now I'm going to repixelize it because I like this design, but I'm just kind of, you know, just going to goof around some more. Angle, make this a 90. Or you can have horizontal bars if you want, which you can do, set it to 180 then. Alrighty, so there's that. Color again, you know. So, back to the purple here. Just color that all in. Go back to the blue. So you can finish up you can make the finishing touches. And there you go. That's how you make random abstract art with Gimp. At least that's my method. I know there's probably like a ton of other methods that are probably a million times easier. But that's just my method. Just goofing around. I like how the shrink effect like does things like that. That certainly looks interesting. See, look. It didn't do anything. What? Ah. Oh well. Alright guys, see you. But yeah, that's how you do that. You can also change the texture if you want to do by doing this. Oh, okay. Something like happened. Oh, there we go. Anyways, again, you know, you can change the texture, do whatever you want, just make it different and all that. Alright guys, see you later.